Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a channel over on the Slack app. So in order to create a channel, what you need to do is open the app just like this. And by the way, in this video I am using the app version over on my iPhone. It will work on Android as well, and it will also be completely the same over on the desktop version. So just open your app, and once you've done that, just head over to home where you can find all your channels, and you may need to basically collapse those channels so you can see all of them. Once you've done that, you will find all your channels right here, and then at the bottom of all your channels you will find Add Channel, where you can simply click on. Once you've done that, click on Create Channel right here, and then give the channel basically a name, such as test or whatever you want. That's just up to you. Once you've done that, head over to Next, and now you need to choose in order to actually create a public channel or a private channel. Public means that everyone over on your team will be able to see it. Private means only a specific amount of people will be able to see it, and only if you invite that team lead. Basically, once you've chosen public or private, what you can do is click on create, and then you can either add some people, or what you also can do is click on X, and then people will be able to join by themselves. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do. Then you will be able to find your channel basically right here, and that's all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.